Welcome back. Today we're revealing 15 incredible machines you can order online from Alibaba to kickstart your own manufacturing business. Some cost less than a new phone and can start making you money fast. Less than $1,000. Please click the subscribe button and share the video. Who's ready to become a manufacturing mogul? Let's dive in. Imagine launching a business with a machine that literally manufactures nails and screws right before your eyes, turning raw metal into essential fasteners in seconds. These tiny but mighty products are the backbone of construction, woodworking, and home improvement projects, making them must-haves for builders, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts everywhere. The best part? The machine is compact enough to fit on a tabletop, and it's surprisingly affordable at just price, making it accessible for anyone looking to start a side hustle or small business from home. With your own production line, you could be striking up deals with local hardware stores, supplying them with high-quality nails and screws, and building valuable business relationships in your community. Set up your mini factory in a spare room or even a closet, and start turning raw materials into profits, right from the comfort of your home. Just make sure to check with your roommates before you start your entrepreneurial journey. They might want in on the action too. Next up, let's dive into the fascinating world of paper cup manufacturing. This high-speed machine transforms simple sheets of paper into sturdy, leak-proof cups in just seconds, right before your eyes. It's a mesmerizing process that combines precision engineering with clever design, ensuring every cup is perfectly formed and ready for use. These cups are ideal for supplying bustling cafes, busy restaurants, or large-scale events where convenience and hygiene are top priorities. Whether it's a morning coffee rush or a big celebration, paper cups are always in demand. What's more, this machine is designed with the environment in mind. It uses eco-friendly materials, is simple to operate, and comes at an affordable price of just price. You can start producing cups with minimal training and effort. Picture your brand's logo on every cup, reaching hundreds or even thousands of hands every single day. It's a powerful way to boost your business's visibility and make a lasting impression in your community. The best part? This compact machine takes up no more space than a large dog, making it perfect for small workshops, home offices, or even a corner of your cafe. With just a small investment and a bit of creativity, you could become the paper cup kingpin of your town, supplying local businesses and events with your very own branded cups. Are you ready to take over the booming custom phone case market and turn your creativity into a thriving business? Imagine having the power to design and print unique cases right from your own workspace with just a few clicks. This innovative printer lets you unleash your imagination, create wild, personalized designs like unicorns, glow-in-the-dark effects, or even the latest viral TikTok trends. The possibilities are endless, and you can cater to every style and personality. Compact enough to fit on any desk, this printer is affordable at price, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to launch their own phone case empire from home or a small studio. With your creativity and this powerful tool, you'll be ready for orders to roll in and your business to grow. Start designing, printing, and repeating your way to success. Coffee lovers, meet the coffee foam printer. Print faces, quotes, or even proposals on your latte. For just price and a bit of counter space, you'll be the Michelangelo of the coffee world. Test your art before popping the question. The coffee foam printer is a machine that prints custom designs, logos, photos, or messages directly onto the foam layer of coffee, lattes, or even beer. It uses edible ink, usually made from food coloring, to create detailed, high-resolution images without affecting the taste. Popular in cafes and restaurants, it adds a personalized and artistic touch to drinks, making them more Instagram-worthy and enhancing customer experience. Businesses often use it for branding, marketing, or special occasions. Sushi lovers, this rice nigiri sheet machine presses perfect rice sheets for your creations, cheaper than a sushi night out at price, and fits on your counter. The rice nigiri maker is a specialized machine designed to create uniform, compact nigiri rice portions quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're running a busy sushi restaurant, catering events, or just passionate about sushi at home, this machine guarantees consistent size, shape, and quality, saving time and reducing waste. Key features: fast production, forms dozens of perfect nigiri portions per minute. Consistent quality. Ensures even pressure and shaping for better texture. Simple operation. Just load cooked rice, select your size, and start. Compact design. Fits easily in kitchens, food trucks, or catering setups. Easy to clean. Food-grade materials, and quick D. Become a fridge magnet mogul. Create custom designs for homes or businesses with this microwave-sized machine. At price, it's cheaper than a weekend getaway and fits on a small table. The Fridge Magnet Maker is an easy-to-use machine that lets you create custom photo magnets, promotional magnets, and souvenir gifts in just minutes. Whether for business, events, or personal fun, this machine makes producing colorful, durable magnets simple and affordable. Achieve perfectly smooth wood surfaces with this electric thicknesser, precision and efficiency for all your projects. At price, it's the size of a motorcycle and saves you a fortune on sandpaper. The electric wood thicknesser is a must-have machine for any serious woodworker, carpenter, or DIY enthusiast. It smooths, levels, and reduces the thickness of rough or uneven boards, giving you perfectly flat, uniform pieces ready for your next big project. Make lollipops in any flavor with this candy-making machine. At $400, it's oven-sized and perfect for your kitchen. Lollipop Candy-Making Machine. Sweet profits start here. The Lollipop Candy-Making Machine is a professional-grade machine designed to mix, mold, and wrap lollipops with speed and precision. Perfect for candy shops, event businesses, or entrepreneurs who want to create fun and delicious treats, this machine makes it easy to produce high-quality lollipops in large quantities. Key features: automated production, mixes, shapes, and wraps candies with minimal manual work. Customizable molds, create different shapes, sizes, and flavors easily. Food-grade materials, safe, hygienic, and built for long-term use. Efficient and fast, produce hundreds of lollipops per hour. Compact design, fits well in commercial kitchens and candy factories. Create custom socks with wild designs using this sock-making machine. At $700, it's washing machine sized and ready to knock your socks off. The sock-making machine is a high-efficiency knitting machine designed to create professional quality socks quickly and easily. From athletic socks to colorful fashion designs, this machine allows you to produce customized socks at scale. Perfect for launching your own brand or expanding your fashion business. Key features: automated knitting. Easily create socks of different sizes, patterns, and thicknesses. Customizable designs, program logos, text, and colorful patterns directly into the machine. Durable and reliable. Built for long hours of production with minimal maintenance. User-friendly interface. Great for beginners and seasoned manufacturers alike. Compact and efficient. Fits in home workshops or small factories. Woodworkers, this veneer debarking machine. The veneer debarking machine is a specialized industrial tool used to strip the bark from logs before they are processed into thin sheets of wood veneer. It works quickly and efficiently, using rotating blades, rollers, or cutters to remove the outer bark without damaging the valuable wood underneath. This step is crucial in preparing logs for veneer production, ensuring a smoother surface and better quality final products. Veneer debarking machines are commonly used in lumber mills, plywood factories, and furniture manufacturing. Turns raw timber into high-quality veneer for furniture, flooring, and more. It's loud, takes up as much space as a car, and is a steal at price. Don't forget your ear protection. Make reusable bags and masks with this non-woven fabrics cutting machine. Demand is booming, and at price, you'll need a room the size of a fridge and a half. This Automolder Roller churns out perfect bread rolls, bakery quality every time. At price, it's the size of a small fridge and might just pay for itself in deliciousness. The Automolder Roller is a professional bakery machine designed to shape and roll dough quickly, consistently, and perfectly. Whether you're making bread, baguettes, rolls, or pastries, this machine takes the hard work out of hand rolling, saving you time and ensuring every piece is uniform in size and texture. Revolutionize your kitchen with this vegetable chopper. The vegetable chopper is a kitchen tool designed to quickly and evenly cut, dice, or slice vegetables with minimal effort. It typically features sharp blades and a sturdy base, allowing users to prepare ingredients faster and more safely than with a knife. Ideal for home cooks and professional chefs, it saves time, ensures uniform cuts, and makes meal prep easier and more efficient. Would you like a fun or more energetic version too? Maybe if you're using it for marketing, no more tears over onions. It dices, slices and speeds up food prep for just price. Needs counter space, about the size of a stand mixer. Roll out custom carpets and rugs for homes or businesses with this carpet making machine. At $600 price, you'll need a warehouse or large room. Unleash your inner designer with this embroidery machine. Personalize clothes, bags, and more for just price. It's sewing machine-sized and ready for your desk. The embroidery machine is a device that automatically stitches patterns, logos, or designs onto fabric using thread. Controlled by a digital interface or preset patterns, it allows for intricate, professional quality embroidery with speed and precision. Used in fashion, home decor, and custom merchandise, embroidery machines are perfect for businesses, hobbyists, and creatives who want to personalize clothing, accessories, and textiles. Whether it's socks, sushi, or magnets, the world of manufacturing is just a click away. Comment your favorite machine, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business ideas.